Magandang hapon. Good afternoon to our people here in Moncada, Tarlac. This afternoon, we will also have EKG determination to elderly people with heart disease. EKG determination. We do this only for those with chest pains who are old. This is not for everybody. With my friend here, nursing graduate, Joe, sinet up na niya yung machine. So we'll have a manual print of the first video. Okay, and then after that we stop. And then we take the second one, manual print. Manual lang muna tayo kasi kung auto parang hindi kumukuha ng maganda. Then we stop. And then manual. Then stop and then take out the 4.